Harry Toddler didn't hold back. Hear what he called Elephant Man.
I lie at the member what them say. Remember every blood clotting from day one. Pussy a toddler make you get the first visa in your life. I prefer talk to a blogger to pussy blood clot. You know so what go on? Remember them boy that come spread out some money in the industry. Against my name. Remember that blood clot. Even entertain the boy name, bro. Because everything them boy they praise himself. Everything are him. Everything are him. Him come like Tony Mataran. Everything them call them name. Me not look yo. Me not look on them pussy there, bro. And nothing what you do. Can't face me, can't move me. Cause remember say I hope your blood clot Harry Toddler name. If you reach by your blood clot there. Pussy you sing me song them right across the world. You sing me song them right across the world. I hit Dynamite, I hit the group mashup cause I fight Dynamite. If you sing me song a foreign.
Do you agree with Harry Toddler, or is this just more dancehall drama?